Today on America's Court with Judge Ross.
She can't let go of you? She's just so into you, huh?
Absolutely not.
Why is she so obsessed, huh? Who
As a matter of fact, it's hard to be in the same room with him because...
Who filed for
I
divorce?
did. In my courtroom, it's about equity and fairness.
Stop. Is that true? I don't want you to understand. I want you to overstand.
Yes, sir.
That's why they pay me the big bucks. Justice should be more than just some foreign concept. I actually want you to learn something. That's not gonna happen. Not up in here, not today. And boom goes the dynamite.
Fair, firm, compassionate. This is America's Court with Judge Ross. Diana Cook claims she thought her soon-to-be ex-husband had hired a stalker to follow her and says she fell and was injured when she ran away from him.
All rise. Remain standing and come to order. This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Kevin Ross presiding.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may be seated.
Ms. Cook is suing Jacob Cook in the amount of $1,182.
All parties have been sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you, Deputy Thomas. All right, Ms. Cook, you're suing for $1,182 over some injuries.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, all right. Knock my socks off. Talk to me. What's happening?
I am in a situation with these injuries that have been caused by my soon-to-be ex-husband.
How long were the two of you married?
5 years.
5 years.
5 years, although we are in the process of a very tumultuous divorce.
And why is it so
currently.
tumultuous?
He had cheated on me.
Okay.
And
Mr. Cook cheated on you.
Yes,
Incorrect.
there was affairs
I'm sorry.
going on.
Are you denying that?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What is, in your mind, the reason for the divorce?
Because she's cheating on me and trying to...
Okay, so somebody's cheating. All right, with
Definitely
that we
her.
know.
He is very calculated, and once again,
Talk to me, ma'am.
he's a very calculated, manipulative
All right,
man.
who do you think?
He's-
Do you feel as though you know who this person is that he's cheating?
Oh, absolutely.
Who is it?
Absolutely, I do. It's another real estate agent that he has been working with named Gail.
She can't let go.
She can't let go of you.
Well,
she's
you'll
just so
see.
into you, huh?
Absolutely not.
Why is she so obsessed, huh? Who
She
filed
wants
for
her
As a
cake and
divorce?
eat
matter
it
of
too.
fact,
Who
it's hard to
filed
be in
for
the same
divorce?
room with him
did.
because...
Who filed for
I did.
divorce? Did you want the divorce?
No, I did not.
She didn't want the papers.
Well, if he was
I-
cheating on you, why wouldn't you have wanted the divorce?
We attempted to make this work in couples counseling, and I did not want the divorce initially because I thought maybe we could make it work through couples counseling. We had tried that.
Was the cheating the issue for you?
It was the issue for me.
Okay.
And what
But
ended
you
up,
filed for divorce.
Yes, I did, and it's because she's cheating on me. I discovered her, so now her little attempt to sort of project what the truth
Well,
is
let's
about
talk
her
about what
onto
you
me.
discovered. She
Okay.
mentions another real estate agent. Are you working with some other real estate agent?
I am, and her name is Gail. We might be attracted to each other, okay, but we've never been physically intimate.
So there's some emotional cheating going on.
You
were gonna say,
I've had to deal with it.
Wait till you hear the full question there, sir.
there's definitely been physical.
Do you have any
affair.
proof of that?
I do have proof. I do have proof.
Oh, really? I'd
and
like to see that.
Yeah, I do have proof of
No, you don't.
audio conversations.
So, Deputy Thomas,
Audio
I'm
conversations
thinking
can be physical.
I want to go
Based
with
on our Verizon
more of the
bills,
Mexican
I know
dishes that are
has
going to be
happened.
served today at
There
lunch.
has been,
You know, tomorrow is Taco Tuesday.
Taco
So you can't
Tuesday,
do
but
Mexican
then
on
there's
Monday.
something to be said for some good Thai food, you know?
And some
Thai food
resolution,
sounds
too, because
good.
I want to...
Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe some yellow curry.
Can we get Thai iced tea?
Yeah. Oh,
What
were
does
you
this
guys
have to do
done?
about her fake injury?
Oh, I see. So because
It is not an
my
enormous
feeling,
injury.
oh,
It's
they're
an
bad. They
absolutely
don't need us here.
accurate
So
injury. It's an
clearly,
absolute
Deputy
injury,
Thomas.
and it
So that
caused more
yellow
than just
curry, I don't know if I
physical
want the
damage.
spicy level 3 or spicy. Is that too much for you?
Yeah, one.
Okay. So you all let us know when you're done, so we can get to the business of why we're here.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Now,
he tends to have an effect on me.
I didn't
being
ask
the
you a
same-
question.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I apologize.
I'm exhausted. You are really
Now you know what it's like
rattling
to be
the
married to her.
shingles on my roof, and you're not doing any better, sir.
Okay. I'm fine.
His true colors are coming.
Ma'am.
Yes, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
We do have some decorum up in here. Can we at least try to exercise that, please? Mr.
Absolutely.
Cook,
Yes.
you made a decision to file
For divorce, yes. And she made it...
I didn't ask you anything else.
Okay.
You made the decision to file for divorce.
Yes, I did.
All right. Your basis for filing was infidelity.
Correct.
You all are from Virginia.
Correct.
The lover's state.
Irony abounds.
The irony of it all.
It
Now,
was like that
here's
in the
why
beginning.
I'm trying to get a clearer sense of why we're here. That in Virginia, a cheating spouse is not necessarily entitled to alimony. So if you're saying that Mrs. Cook cheated on you and you can prove that, that helps your case to establish why she's not entitled to alimony.
Absolutely.
Coming up on America's Court.
And you're saying I filed for divorce against my husband because of infidelity. Who filed first, you or Mr. Cook?
Mr. Cook did.
And later,
And we have a situation where she sends something to you to cheer you up,
Yes.
and you decide to do what?
I decided to post it on my social media.
if you'll be in the Los Angeles area and want to bring your case to court, call 1-888-552-6878. This is America's Court with Judge Ross, Emmy nominated for Outstanding Legal Courtroom Program. America's Court is back with the case of Diana Cook, who is suing her husband, Jacob Cook, for personal injury.
Are you seeking alimony?
I plan to be seeking alimony based
Is he
on...
seeking alimony from you?
No, he's not. Based on our income, he makes $350,000 a year as a real
You're
estate
just telling
agent.
all his business on national television.
I will, because the reason he makes
380,
that...
Your Honor.
Well,
But who's counting?
Right.
if you just said 380, even better, I'll get more money out of you. If that's the case,
getting a
you just
dime.
told on yourself.
You make your own
and
money
I
and you
make
cheated
minimum
on me.
Okay,
wage
we
because
are
he
back
had,
at
he
this
had
again.
promised me
You
that
lost
I
total
would be a
control.
stay-at-home mom.
I need you to cop a squat,
Have a
because
seat,
I can't
ma'am.
handle both
Have
of
a
you all
seat.
at the same time.
Take
Yeah.
a Judge
Cool your
Ross
jets.
timeout.
All right. Let me deal with you all one at a time, because you also have a witness here.
Yes, I do.
Why is this person in my courtroom?
And serving, tried 3 times. I'll let him tell you the story. But
Well, then
on
let
the
him
third
tell the
time,
story. Sir,
right,
come on up.
I'm sorry. So the third time was successful.
I'm
but
already
she decided,
moved on to you, and we're talking to who? What's your last name, sir?
Voigt, Matthew Voigt.
Mr. Voigt, what's your role in this case?
I was hired by Jacob Cook's divorce attorney to serve Diana divorce papers.
All right, so you're a process server.
Yep, correct.
Were you able to properly serve Mrs. Cook?
I was given the location of her new partner Daniel's home address.
And you took that information and did what with it?
I parked outside of that residence. Diana happened to be walking out to her car. So I got out of my car, approached her. She seemed, again, very frightened and ran away from me. When I got to her, she was on the ground in the grass. Seemed like she got injured, tripped.
She was acting as if she had fallen on the ground?
It seemed as though she was evading me and ran very quickly and like pretended to be injured.
And what are you basing that pretending to be injured on?
I've been a process server for about 2 years. People who are evading these papers, they'll try and run so that you can't catch them or that you're stalking them, which I wasn't doing. I was just doing my job.
Got it. Let's try it again. And if you interrupt her, we're going to put you on timeout. Do you recall seeing Mr. Voigt?
There was no contact made. I was being followed by Mr. Voigt.
Do you know someone named Daniel?
I do.
Do you work with Daniel?
Yes, I do.
Did you have any sort of sexual, intimate relationship with Daniel?
Eventually, once I found
So
out.
the answer is yes.
Yes.
When this incident occurred with Mr. Voigt, had you already cemented the physical, intimate sexual relationship with Daniel?
Yes.
Why was that so hard to tell? Judge, I left my husband and I started a relationship with Daniel, and we worked together. And while we were working together, this guy who I don't know was coming near me. I didn't know him, from a can of paint, and I got scared and I fell, but it's his fault, making me fall.
Exactly. Your Honor, you're exactly
Stop.
right.
So as I'm listening to this, and you're saying I filed for divorce against my husband because of infidelity, who filed first, you or Mr. Cook?
Mr. Cook did. And if I may
Okay.
have a chance to explain
Yes,
this
now you can
situation.
calmly explain.
At first, I just thought he was stalking me, and so I do have a picture of him. I turned around, he was following me down the street, and I became very, very terrified.
You want the judge to do that too?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Given the fact that I have a previous history of a boyfriend that looked very close to him, and I think my ex-husband, soon-to-be ex-husband, did this purposefully to select an assessor.
I want you to
that-
put a pin in that right there. Was there a conversation about there being, Mr. Cook, a previous relationship involving her being stalked?
She told me when we first started dating that she showed me a picture of the guy
So
who
you
caused
can't
her
answer
hell.
yes or no
Yeah,
when I'm
yes. At the
asking
beginning
you
of our
to do
relationship, one time she told me
Yes.
she showed me a picture. Yes.
So you had, all that was to say yes.
The law firm that I hired him. I did not know what he looked like in comparison to the one
Your Honor,
picture I
that
saw
is
5
not
years ago, please. But Fast forward
It's
5 years, and I
erroneous.
have
Sit
my
down.
I hire an attorney, a divorce attorney, and the divorce attorney, after realizing, and I do want to give eventually this to evidence, the 4 times that I tried to serve her and make a contact with her.
Let me see that.
Okay. These are the 4 days of
Just show me.
messages.
You don't have to tell me,
That's all you want to give him?
Yeah.
Okay.
because you are never seemingly at a loss for words.
Neither is she, but like I'm just trying to compare.
Wrong answer.
I didn't know what he looked like, so there's no way I could have. Like,
Okay, he's out.
He's out?
He's out.
Go ahead, sir. Step on out.
You want me to? Okay.
Mr. Voigt, you can have a seat, sir. But I am looking at Miss Cook coming up.
Yes, Your Honor.
I got a text here. Hi, Diana. I hope all is well. I was hoping we could meet up this week. Oh, hey, I don't have a lot of time this week. Oh, okay. How about early next week? Not sure yet. I'll let you know. Thanks. Does that sound familiar?
Yes, it does, Your Honor.
A happy Monday. I'd like to set a time with you this week. I get it, but I'm unsure of my schedule. Really like to get this part done sooner than later. Does that ring a bell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Diana, are you available to meet this afternoon at Jerry's Deli? Yes, I'm available to meet. Perfect, I'll see you then. I'm sorry, Jacob, a temp job just called me to come in. I can't meet up. Can we meet up after your shift ends? I just don't know when I'll be available. Are we 3 for 3 right now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Diana, are you available to meet this afternoon at 3:30? No, I can't. When are you available later this week? I don't know, my schedule's busy. I just want to get these divorce papers over to you ASAP. I don't know right now. That you?
Yes, Your Honor. May I explain
Based
that?
on the evidence and the testimony before this court, the gavel's going to come down in favor of the defendant. As obnoxious as he is, I do believe he has established a sufficient defense to the fact that it makes sense to me that he would not know what Mr. Voigt looked like, whether he was male, female, black, white. Typically, process servers, you don't go and select the person that you want. You just want to make sure the document is given to the person who's being served.
Your Honor, may I make a rebuttal to that? Because I do
No,
believe
you
that
may not.
I do believe that he did.
I said
he
no,
wa-
and you're going to talk anyway.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, so then listen to this. Your matter's dismissed. Case closed.
All rise.
Judge Ross has ruled in favor of the defendant. The plaintiff's case has been dismissed. Coming up on America's Court with Judge Ross.
When the plaintiff posts videos, have they typically been while she's been on the clock?
No, Your Honor.
This is America's Court with Judge Ross, Emmy nominated for Outstanding Legal Courtroom Program. Shamaya Henderson claims she was fired after her former co-worker posted a video of her twerking on the job and says the defendant owes her for lost wages. Ms. Henderson is suing Denitra Dawson in the amount of $10,000.
All right, what do we have going on here? Why are we in this situation that Ms. Henderson finds herself in? Losing your job over some social media?
Yes.
Talk to me, what's up?
I unfortunately was fired from my job as a flight attendant.
How long had you been working as a flight attendant?
I've been there for about a year.
Okay. And Ms. Dawson, you worked with Ms. Henderson, yes?
Yes, I did.
How long have you been a flight attendant?
I've been a flight attendant for 2 years.
All right. And what was the relationship between you and Ms. Henderson?
I would say it was amicable. We would get happy hour after work. We knew each other from college.
The two of you worked together and did shifts together or so forth?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And what was the motivation for whatever it was that you did?
Yes, well, Denitra, my former coworker, she's been in a really tough on and off relationship with
Is that
her
true?
boyfriend.
Yes.
I checked in with her. I was like, hey girl, where are you at? I miss you. She let me know she was having a hard time with her boyfriend. They had a huge fight. We had discussed this many times at the happy hours. So I do have it in the text messages right here of the video that I did
see that?
send to her.
Yes.
Anything else you want to give the judge?
Yes.
I'll take it all.
Perfect.
Had
So
you ever
here
sent
are the
her
letters
anything
as well.
before?
No, only because it was an extreme situation where she had not made it to work. So I sent her a video just to cheer her up. I was dancing. It was just great energy for sure.
Coming up on America's Court.
I wanted to share it because I thought it could cheer other people up as well.
Did you say to your friend, is it okay if I post this information?
This is America's Court with Judge Ross, Emmy nominated for Outstanding Legal Courtroom Program. America's Court is back with the case of Shamaya Henderson, who is suing Denitra Dawson for invasion of privacy.
And we have a situation where she sends something to you to cheer you up.
Yes.
and you decide to do what?
I decided to post it on my social media. I thought the video was very funny. It did cheer me up, and I wanted to share it because I thought it could cheer other people up as well.
Did you say to your friend, is it okay if I post this information?
I didn't ask if it was okay, but she is regularly posting on social media. She wants to be
She's making decisions as to how she wants to portray herself on her own page.
She posts herself twerking constantly.
When the plaintiff posts videos, have they typically been while she's been on the clock?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. You got fired as a result of it being shown.
Mm-hmm.
So I take it you're okay with us showing it now?
Yeah, I don't see any issue with the video.
You don't see any issue with the
No.
video? And you provided a copy of it for
Yes, I did.
the court, Deputy Thomas? We good?
It's all set in your computer.
Let's take a look.
F this job. F this job. F this job. F this job. F this job.
I didn't realize there was
Yeah.
vocals.
Yeah.
F this job.
It adds like a flair to it, you know?
It does.
Yeah.
And your airlines really saw that flair and said, that's on brand for us. Not so much.
Not so much, unfortunately.
Judge Ross's verdict when America's Court returns. This is America's Court with Judge Ross, Emmy nominated for Outstanding Legal Courtroom Program.
You've worked there longer than she has. You know how this is going to play out.
Honestly, I had no idea how it would play out because I've never had a coworker act like that before.
Well, that's why we had you take a lie detector test. Here are the results. Did you, Denitra Dawson, publicly post a twerking video of Shamaya Henderson to get her in trouble at work? You answered no. With a 97.6% probability rating, the lie detector test found no deception. Based on the evidence and the testimony before this court, the gavel was going to come down in favor of I'm going to rule in favor of the plaintiff in this case. Because I do believe that even with your knowledge of the work responsibilities of being in that job, I still feel as though there's some responsibility that you have to accept on your part for your behavior. The judgment, however, is not going to reflect the $10,000 based on the amount of loss that you received. I'm going to grant you $1,000. You're going to have to pay that, Ms. Dawson, and own up to what you did in this case. That is the order. Case closed.
Judge Ross has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant has been ordered to pay $1,000.
Any thoughts or words for each other?
I appreciate the judge's final decision, and I look forward to that $1,000 from you.
I mean, it's not $10,000.
This has been a production of Allen Media Group.